I'm Tony Medieval with the Frazier History Museum, bringing history to the people. Woo! And for one day only, that history's coming straight to you for the lowest prices you've ever seen. Yes, it's the Everything Must Go yard sale. And believe me, everything must go. Woo! We've got books. We've got swords. We've even got armor if you're willing to pay. But I'll be frank, that's going to be quite expensive. But you can write it off on your taxes. Woo! Hey, we used to be the Frazier Historical Arms Museum, but we don't need these arms anymore. You ever wanted a headless mannequin? Well, this might be your chance. Looking for holiday decorations? We've got some goofy stuff. It's all on sale. How about some Civil War era reproductions? Why, here at the Frazier Yard Sale, everything must go. We even have historically accurate underwear for historically low prices. Woo! Here at the Frazier History Museum, Everything Must Go yard sale, we believe that history belongs to the people. And that history can belong to you for pennies on the dollar. We're talking Buffalo low prices. So mark it on your calendar, screaming from the rooftops, we're your local history museum, so we're not joking when we tell you that this is a truly historical event. It's the Everything Must Go yard sale, and everything must go. Don't forget who sent you. It's me, Tony Medieval, because I'm here to bring history to the people. Woo!